Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how does the sorting of optional category grouping option and category access option works in the dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. For seeing how does the sorting of the optional category grouping and category access works, we will click on the chart component in the widget panel. Dataset I'll be keeping as sales.ts over here. Category access I will select as country. Then optional category grouping I will keep as year here. And aggregation I will keep as count, and value column I will select as price each. Now once I do this, I'll click on save and exit, and you'll see that we have created the chart widget like this. Now I'll click on the edit option of this chart widget. And you'll see that on the right side of the optional category grouping option, there is one option of sorting. So if I click on this option and I check the sorting option over here, and in the sort type, I will choose descending, and in the sort by column, I will select as year. And I'll click on this check option over here. You'll see that the here, this is the optional category grouping. And once I went to the sorting option and I choose the descending in the sort type and sort by column by year, and I clicked on the check option, the optional category grouping, the year has appeared in the descending order. Since in the sort type, I have selected the option descending. Now, same way, if I click on this option again, and in the sort type, I'll select ascending instead of descending, and I click on this check option, you'll see that the optional category grouping, the year has appeared in ascending order like this. That is 2016 first, 2017, and then 2018. So this is how you can sort the optional category grouping. Then if you want to sort the columns now on the category axis, how can you do that? For that, you can go to the right side of the category axis. There is one grouping and sorting option. So you can click on that. Then you can check the sorting option, and in sort type, you can click on ascending, and sort by column you'll keep as country. Since the category axis, the column is of country, and you will click on the check option. You will see that the countries will appear in the ascending order on the category axis. Since we have checked the ascending option in sort type. Now same way, if instead of ascending I click on descending and click on the check option, you will see the columns in the category axis will appear in descending order, since now the sort type we have selected is descending. So this is how you can sort the year in the optional category grouping and the columns in the category axis in the chart widget in the dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.